Welcome to a journey of wonder, from unbelievable forces of nature to moments that feel straight out of legend. Everything is waiting for you right here. On Mont Blanc in France, climbers witnessed a terrifying landslide. Nature's power left everyone speechless. Northern India was battered by heavy rains, triggering dangerous landslides. Always stay alert when the weather turns severe.
तारे ऊपर तारे
Hailstones the size of golf balls pounded Rapid City, South Dakota. The sound alone was terrifying. In Iowa, a storm unleashed hail and powerful winds, a reminder to always seek shelter. Winds in Kansas were so fierce, even a massive truck was toppled over. A red alert was issued as Garance made landfall, packing winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour. Cyclone Garance wreaked havoc on Reunion Island, leaving thousands struggling without power and clean water.
Oh my God, I can't see anything. Oh my God, my mirror! I caught that on video!
In Texas, destructive gusts forced workers to take shelter under rooftops for safety.
I'm getting hard in the mud.
every time I walk down jump a little bit.
Just look at the weight of that snow. Could it really have been enough to collapse this house?
You're breaking windows and then you... Did you get that, Ty? That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh no, my phone might not have got it.
A terrifying moment in Baltimore. A cargo ship struck the Francis Scott Key Bridge, and the entire structure crumbled in seconds. A massive tree came crashing down, but a young man escaped within inches of disaster. In Nottinghamshire, the historic Harworth Colliery Tower was finally demolished after several attempts.
So we're in a storm right now, and this car literally just drove up this.
I still can't explain how this car ended up standing upright like that. This massive rock looks just like an elephant resting in the middle of the ocean, nature showing both its grandeur and mystery. Look closely under the water. Do you know what that is? Drop your guess in the comments. In Tulsa, a dog accidentally sparked a blaze after biting into a lithium-ion cable. Luckily, it managed to escape unharmed.
Drop, Yanni! 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 Là, quoi? C'est les gars.
The demolition of the Ramadi Viaduct shook the entire area as the massive structure came crashing down. Try letting your pet look in the mirror. They'll be just as shocked to meet their own twin. A massive dust devil swept through an event in Madras, Oregon. A reminder that nature is always unpredictable. What started as a harmless swirl of dust turned into sudden chaos at a scrapyard in Lincoln. Look at this as South Dakota tornado looked like it was shape-shifting in the sky. A jaw-dropping sight. At Shahid Raja'i Port, a massive blast sent thick black smoke billowing across Bandar Abbas. Can you guess what this creature is? It appeared for a moment and vanished in a flash. Let me guess, you were fooled the first time you saw it too, right? Its camouflage is next level, looking exactly like a leaf until it suddenly moves. Flying lizards may look fierce and majestic, but in truth, they're much more fragile than they seem.
La voiture a été engloutie.
La voiture, elle est partie.
Engloutie.
Non, mais il y a un groupe, elle est en dessous.
Il y a quelqu'un dedans.
Non, 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 non.
In France, raging floods carried off cars and destroyed railway tracks, a chilling display of nature's sheer power.
On arrête de chercher, on serait démerdés à
Ah
prendre.
ouais, ça parle en côté.
The flooding in Cincinnati proved one thing over. Confidence has no place when driving through high water.
Oh my God. What is he doing?
Oh!
In Vestavia Hills, Alabama, residents were stunned as cars were swept into Patton Creek after a powerful downpour. Ellicott City was swallowed by rushing waters, with streets transformed into rivers and cars tossed around like toys. In Manhattan, lightning lit up the World Trade Center 1, turning the skyline into a dazzling yet intimidating scene. Wow. Home security footage in Fortuna captured the violent shaking as an earthquake struck, furniture and lights swinging nonstop. High surf disrupted traffic in St. Julian's Bay, but fortunately everyone was safe. A Japanese village was hit by a massive landslide after heavy rains from a tornado. Homes destroyed, roads blocked. We hope the community recovers soon and life returns to peace.
Okay, I just need to get a call on it. So. Be advised.
In Orange County, a sudden landslide trapped residents. Rescue teams rushed in to bring everyone to safety. Chaos at a busy intersection. A tractor trailer got stuck on the tracks as a speeding train rushed toward it. Do you think dropping fire retardant from planes is the most effective way to fight wildfires? One brief lapse by a rookie inspector led to a minor crash during a vehicle check. Luckily, no one was hurt. In Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, a violent storm triggered flash floods that left drivers in terrifyingly dangerous situations. In North Texas, rescuers pulled a man to safety from the roof of his car. A heart-stopping moment of courage. Give a like for that bravery. In Hobart, Tasmania, heavy rain turned city streets into rivers in minutes. Cars swept away, homes and shops submerged.
E o telhado quebrou, velho! Puta que pariu!
Dark clouds gathered, winds howled, and rain poured like a waterfall. Within minutes, Sao Paulo was in chaos. Sometimes the safest place truly is home. Hurricane Eta devastated Nicaragua, triggering heavy rains and massive landslides.
Estamos de Pirlo y por otra vez, hermanos.
Look at this jellyfish spinning in circles through a bubble ring, playing as if it never wants to stop. At sunset, this waterfall lit up as if painted by the hand of nature itself, glowing in radiant colors. I was completely blown away by this breathtaking sight. A lightning bolt struck an Odaku train near Noborito Station in Kawasaki, a shocking moment that left passengers terrified.
あ、電車に落ちた。しかもこれ今動画入りました。
Just beyond this house in Texas, the sky lit up as lightning struck, a reminder that danger can be right outside your door. Near Dortmund, Germany, a massive bridge was safely demolished in a controlled blast. Everything went according to plan. Lightning struck during a storm in Tuscaloosa, sending sparks flying and power lines bursting into flames. Fireworks exploded too early at a golf course celebration, shocking everyone before the event even began.
Oh, God. It's still on fire.
The driver jumped out, waving frantically, but the train struck in a split second. When traffic suddenly stopped, a truck on the right couldn't avoid impact. The collision snapped its mirror clean off. Nature can be so stunning, and yet so terrifying. It takes your breath away. On Russia's Yamal Peninsula, a rare firenado formed as swirling winds combined with burning gas to create a towering vortex of fire. Winds howled and dust clouds spiraled, leaving homes damaged. San Juan was thrown into chaos during a dust storm. It's hard to believe, but this scene unfolded right in California. Would you dare get close enough to capture it? At the Grand Canyon, a giant old tree revealed a branch shaped exactly like a snake, blending perfectly into the wild. That plane looked like it was frozen in the sky. Did you see it too? Drop a comment. Look closely. That cloud seems like a person standing in the wind above the heavens. At first glance, you'd never think this is a chicken. It looks like it's wearing a lion's mane. With its wings spread wide, this bird looked like a living painting, a masterpiece only nature could create. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to keep exploring more wonders of nature with us. Have an amazing day.